Hello and welcome to lesson 27. This is part 2. We'll learn to conjugate the first group, which this group is called PAAL. PAAL is the easiest one to conjugate. And also we'll learn a script or cursive mem. So, lesson 26, we learn print, letter, mem, and this is script or cursive. Okay, so this is how we do it. This is how we do it. And we start from here. Okay, so we'll do it at the end of this video. This is how the word mime looks in cursive. Okay, so it's very different. That's why I did 2 classes, because it's a very, very different. So it reads mayim, mayim. And just a reminder that in cursive, we don't add vowels, okay? No vowels. Okay, so we are going to learn how to conjugate the group that in Hebrew it's called PAAL, PAAL, or kal, kal, kal. Kal means easy, easy. And it's truly the easy one. Group 1, it's really simple. Okay, so I'm gonna just share with you 2 steps. 2 steps. We have this verb that we learned last week, lilmod, to study or to learn. Lilmod. In order to conjugate, we need to find the shoresh. Shoresh. Shoresh means root. We need to find the root. Why? Because the root will remain in all the conjugation. He, she, they, we, I. Okay? Okay, so first we start to eliminate the first lamed. Why? Because the first lamed belongs to all the verbs in infinitive. Okay? Just as in English, the infinitive starts always with to walk, to run, to sleep, to eat. That's infinitive. So when you conjugate, we don't use to anymore. So it's the same. So it's as the lamed is to in English. So we don't need lamed. We don't need lamed. And then we have holam vav. Holam vav is a characteristic of PAAL. Not all of PAAL, but a lot of them. So that's why we erase. And we found shoresh, lamed, mem, dalet. So that's step 1. Step 2. We are going to move holam vav and we will put it on the second position. Okay? We leave the shoresh and holam vav will take second position. Okay? I wrote here Holland verb is characteristic of PAAL or CAL group. It can be one, okay? There are some CAL that they don't have Holland verb in this position. Okay, and we are learning the verb lilmod, lilmod, to learn or to study. So we'll do present tense conjugation, and it's really simple in the present. We have the first two are singular, and the third and the fourth are plural. So we only have four in Hebrew in present. The first one is for I, you, masculine, and he. Okay? So in Hebrew, we have you for boy and we have you for a girl. So that's a very different. And for in masculine, in singular, we have lomed, lomed. And you can see how we keep the shoresh and we move Holland Vav to second position. So we need to add letter Tav, which is the last letter of the alphabet, Hebrew alphabet. And when we add letter Tav, we know it's feminine, singular. Then for we, you, they, plural, masculine, it will end with yod and mem sofit. Okay? And for plural, feminine, we, you, they, it will end in Holland Vav Tav. Okay, so that's why Pa'al verbs are very easy because you will always add Tav to singular feminine, Yod Mem to plural masculine, and Holam Vav Tav to plural feminine. And we read U lomed, I lomedet, Em lomdim, and lomdot. Okay, so it's really simple. Then we'll do another verb, and it's also pa'al. How do we know that it's pa'al? Because it has the Holam Vav in this position. Okay? I am pointing at Holam Vav. We have already seen this verb, and we know every letter. And to love reads le'ehov. So what do we do first? We find shoresh. We eliminate this first lamed because it's like two in English. So it doesn't belong, okay, to Pa'al group. And then we also take Holland Vav. Right now we're trying to find shoresh. So when we eliminate Holland Vav and Lamed, we have Aleph, A, and Vet. So it's right here. And then we move Holland Vav to the second position. And it reads Ohev, Ohev. And then for feminine, we need to have the Tav. For plural masculine, we need to add yod, mem, sofit. For plural feminine, we need to add hol and vav, tav. So it reads u, ohev, I ohevet, hem ohavim, hen ohavot. Okay? And, okay, we'll do an exercise. First, we're going to read this verb, which means to dream. To dream. What a wonderful dream he's having, right? Oh. And okay, so please pause the video and try to read this verb. If you have been with me since lesson number 1, you already know how to do it. Okay, pause. Excellent. It reads lachlom. Lachlom. We have a shiva here, but we do not vocalize a. Why? Because we have a short vowel here. So that's a grammar rule. Okay? And we need to know which verb group does it belong to. It has a hol and vav in this position. How do we know it belongs to that group? How do we obtain the shoresh? Homework. The verb to dream is conjugated exactly like the verb to study. Okay, why not like the verb to love? Why not? Because we have a hey here. And this consonant is guttural. So that means it will affect the nikud, the vowel. So look, the nikud, it's pink, okay? It's pink. And in study, the shoresh are not guttural letters. So it will not affect. So it will be shiva and shiva. But here, the second letter is guttural, so the nikud changes. Okay, so that's why it's important to know which consonants are guttural. And we only have 4, and we say 5. That's how we say it in Hebrew. Okay, so that's homework. You're going to conjugate the verb lachlom exactly as lilmod. I know you can do it. I know that I know you can do it. Okay, so now I'm just going to draw cursive mem. Okay, I've been doing this a lot of times. Okay, so let's do cursive, okay? 1, 2, 3. Initial mem. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's do mem sofit. And let's do water. Mayim. Mayim. Okay. Excellent, friends. Thank you for watching the video. Shalom. Shalom.